What's up, BB?
What's up?
So we are back at it again with another room tour. So we are in Washington, D.C. We are at the West End D.C. Tapestry Collection by Hilton. So we're going to show you our room.
Let's check it out.
Let's go. All right, so we are starting off with the closet. So in here, of course, you got your spare blankets and your pillow, ironing board, the usual. We're gonna make our way to the bathroom. A nice sized toilet, soaking tub. This is the shower. Nice shower head. Our amenities are over here. Let's see what we got. No Evelyn and Crabtree. Wait a minute. Yes, we got the ever so famous, the ever so popular, the iconic Crabtree and Evelyn products. You have a couple of different things here. So we got some shampoo, we got some conditioner, we got this. Oh, you got a little shower cap. That's cute. A body wash. Body lotion by Lockwood, New York. Is this ours? This is a makeup remover wipe. How considerate. Hand soap. You got your towels. More towels. Toilet paper and your tissue. We're gonna come on out. So we're making our way to the bedroom. So we got a decent sized TV here, as you can see. A nice little setup where you can sit. Nice sized bed. This is a queen. A one nightstand. Nice little section right here. I like this. This is super cute with the cherry blossom painting here. I'm loving the details and all the different designs and the prints. Over here we have a table where you can sit at. Super cute. Another painting. Over here you have a little section. That's our stuff, don't pay no mind. Over here you have a nice little section where you have your microwave. You got a single sink. You have a Keurig, and I'm gonna be nosy and see what's over here. We got some English breakfast. We have a breakfast blend. So we have some coffee. And then, of course, your sugar and creamer. We have some cups. What's in the cabinet here? Nada. Okay. And we also get a refrigerator. A little mini fridge. Actually, not even a mini fridge. It's a decent size. So that's our room, guys. We're going to take a look and see if we got a view. What we got going on here? We can see some things. So this is our room at the Tapestry, y'all. Let us know what you guys think. Bye, BBs.